Whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our agreements. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women. Some of them will make a great match for you and others won't. The two of you only to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading up 696. There we go. It's a big number, folks. No two ways about that. You get the NASDAQ Composite up 394. S&Ps are up 100. Gold contract down $11, trading $17.17 an ounce. You got silver up 11 cents, $26.52 an ounce. Light sweet crude off a buck, $60.52 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year up 13 ticks, 134.06. The 30-year flat at 160.22 in King Dollar. King Dollar's up 177 ticks, trading 91.050. The euro's at 120. The yen is out here at 106.83, and the British pound's at 139 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, this is quite a bounce, folks, and this is something else. So you have the SPY up $10 right now. You've done 70 million shares. Bottom line, it's going for the highs once again, man. These highs, we're going to go after them. We're at 390, 394.17 is the number. Now, the contraction of volume is vicious. That being said, guess what, man? Pricing it up, and they're just buying everything that's out here. NDX 100, little different story. This is a lot weaker. Contraction is still there. You know, we're up $9 there, also $9.45. This is going to take a lot more than just one day for the NQs. Different ball game altogether. You know, we'll see how the NQs can basically, if they can get any type of follow through. I'm not as impressed, no doubt, with the NQs. We get over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. What you're going to see inside of this Dow, the bottom line is that we're right next to the highs out here. The inside of the Dow Industrials, you know, you're up $696. There's only, you got Salesforce, which is putting 4 negative points in, and Walgreens is putting 1. That's it. Other than that, bottom line is that you are right. Well, we're right at the top of the range. The highs that were generated out here were at 31,633, and you're talking about the 32,000 that we actually hit. Didn't close that, but I'd say that the thing is game that we can go after those levels. That's how this thing is shaking out. You get the IWM. IWM's up $8. That's trading 226. And the bottom line is that you have the high out there, which is 230. And I can tell you, folks, the bottom line is that, you know, we've been talking about inflation for a long period of time. We've been talking about, well, here, just look at the copper market. HG, they tried to whack the copper market last week, and it just didn't work. This thing just come firing back today. So take a look at this. You got copper trading right now, 410. We got up to 437 last week. 464 is the high. You know, it looks to me like, hey, guess what? You know, yeah, we're going to have a pullback a few days inside the copper market. Bottom line, higher prices coming at us in an incredible way when we start talking commodities. Well, yeah, let's get into the gold market a little bit here. We're going to do the XAU and the HUI, and this is why, folks. Okay, so picture, I've been doing the gold report, oh God, I think it's 20 years now, right? And I can tell you that in the course of 20 years, there's only been 3 or 4 times that the charts really have been in trouble. And this is one of them. And let me show you, you know, I suspect we're going to be out of the trouble, but this is where the trouble is right now, and it's kind of serious trouble, actually. So the XAU is flat right now, right? We're coming back to the April breakout area. So when you come back to a breakout area, folks, what we always like to see is that we go topside on the breakout area. You have wide price spread. You get volume that comes in the equities. And then when you pull back, you like to see a pullback with volume contracting and rejection of price. Well, last week, folks, we had none of that. Zero. And we're talking about the XAU, the HUI. It doesn't matter which one you're talking about. So we are at a really crucial level out here today. I like the idea, as I said when I was doing the update, that the gold contract was actually going down, testing the lows of Friday, because of the fact that we had so much volume at those lows, that the bottom line is that when you have a high volume low, what you want to do is that you're looking for a test of that low. If we look at the XAU, you're going to see that the XAU is testing its lows out here today, which we need, by the way. If we go to the gold bugs index, we also need the same thing happening, which has happened, okay? Now, that being said and done, if you are in the bullish camp inside of the metals market, what we're going to need ASAP, folks, is this. We got the lower price today. You got the contraction of volume. Now you need a total rejection of price. Then what we're going to need, and we're going to go over to the dollar for this, then what we're going to need is some real, let's see, what would we call it? You know, this dollar on Friday, folks, okay, really got some juice going. And, you know, we had gone from 91.32 up to 96.73. The euro went south on Friday. The pound went south on Friday. The yen went north on Friday. Now, in all three cases, south, south, and north, that means that the dollar got stronger against all three of those currencies. So that has to change ASAP. You know, the way that this market is flying out here today, this is telling me that we're in inflation. That's where I'm gonna go for the route that, you know, there's so much bread that's flying around here, and we're gonna have another stimulus. This money, folks, is flying around. It's going into the markets. It continues to go into markets. It continues to go into assets. Asset prices are going up. People know they're going up, and they're bidding them up. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.